All right. There goes Amy. Hey, Amy. Where are you, Amy?
Up here in Waikiki. Went to go check out two little sites. Waterfall and then the monument.
Okay, which monument?
I don't know what it's called. 3 stones.
Oh, 3 stones. That's going to be cool. All right, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Hello, aloha. We're over here. You can see it's a beautiful day here. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. We're at Waikiki Beach, and we got to go check out a couple of things up the street, up Kalakaua. And we got to get a cup of coffee at the Royal Hawaiian. I heard that was good. Or maybe Island Vintage. Man. We'll have to see how things go. Anyway, comment, like, share, subscribe, and mahalo from Lois and Amy, Waikiki. Talk to you soon.